Hi friends, I'm so excited to share my summer morning routine. I also wanted to thank Olay so much for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. The first thing I do when I wake up is wash my face because it wakes me up. Lately, I've been loving the new Olay Cleansing Infusion Facial Cleanser with Deep Sea Kelp. It has cute packaging. It's really easy to find in the store. Just look for the gold packaging. So the Olay Facial Cleanser is actually soy-based and helps draw out impurities and draw in hydration for naturally glowing skin. Also, its hydrating formula is non-stripping, includes deep sea kelp and aloe extract, and it's perfect for daily use on all skin types. My favorite part is the creamy lather, which leaves my skin feeling so soft and smooth. After I wash my face, I go and get the boys. Usually Jacob is waking up or is already awake, and he has this particular morning routine. He sits in his chair and then we read books, and then I gotta wake up my big boy Liam. He usually wakes up last and Charlie loves him. Charlie greets him in the morning too. The boys will just hang out and play. Jacob enjoys playing in the kitchen right by mommy while I cook, and every now and then he'll be asking for mama hugs. So of course I gotta give him some love. And now it's breakfast time. Jakey's very excited about breakfast. Meanwhile, Liam's like, I'm calm. Breakfast is just breakfast. And for me, my favorite part of breakfast has to be coffee. So I make myself some iced coffee, get the boys lunch ready, and Justin actually takes them to school while I go to my cycling class. So I do that for an hour, and after that I go and take a shower and get ready for the day. And the rest of my day usually consists of filming videos, editing, emails, cleaning, and all things mom life. And that's usually after I get ready and do my makeup and pretty much just dry my hair and change into a comfortable outfit. I wanted to wear this cute gold necklace, love it, and yellow and polka dots, that is my favorite. I hope you friends enjoyed my summer morning routine, and make sure to grab the Olay Cleansing Infusion Facial Cleanser with Deep Sea Kelp next time you're at the store. Just look for the gold packaging. See you in my next video, and thank you friends so much for watching. Bye!